All right, so gang, we're back for another one. All right, so gang, so we're gonna break down gold for the week. All right, so gold closed on Friday, so at 5 o'clock. So now the market's over, so we can look at it and see like areas where we could have got in at for entries. So do some entries real fast. We could have gotten right here. We could have gotten right here around this area when it first broke through, when it first started wicking, right here, when it started wicking at 814 all the way down. So it started wicking after you seen the red candle, after you seen the wick, you could have got in when it was wicking, but you could have gotten right here. I got in right here. So at 1812, actually 1813. 1813 in. I can tell you the exact point I got in at, but 1813. So I also got in right here at 1799. Okay. So you could have gotten right here. So this is other entries you could have gotten at. I just gave y'all two right there. You could have gotten right here. Also at 811. All right, once it broke this right here, made a lower high, lower low, could have gotten around here, 807, 810. Just giving y'all a few entries where you could have got in, and then I'm gonna explain it real fast. So, we got in. Sorry about that. All right, so you could have also got in at 807, 803, 805. These are key levels. So 805, 810, 813. These are key levels. 805, 812. 802. I got in right here. Like I said, I got in for another entry at 1799. So these are all like potential areas that you could have gotten in game. So also right here we see how we have consolidation right here too, and when it was going up the pyramid. When we're going up the pyramid, we have consolidation. Boom. Same thing. Look, same thing. Went to the same zone. So these are like, we're gonna call these like zones right here, like support and resistance zones. That price will like go to, go to these zones before heading back up. You know what I'm saying? Go to these zones before heading back up or heading back down. In this case, so we're gonna draw some zones. These are like zones that price goes to. We're heading back up and heading back down. All right, gang. So hold on, just gotta draw a few more. Hope these videos help, gang. Right. So like, see how we have our zones right here again on the 15. Goal for the 15-minute. Close at 1797. So like, hey, you could have got in at 812, 811, 810, 806, 85, like all the way down to like price went all the way down from 813 all the way down to like you could have got in at 801, 799. That's why I got in for another one. You like price went all the way down here before heading back up and closing all the way down to 1795 before heading back up and closing to 1797. Like these are like potential areas. Like price moves very like gold moves very very fast. Like you can make like it will take you 1 day, 2 days, 1 day really to like get back to like the next key level, like as far as like 18, 17, to like back to 18, like it moves fast. So like over 100 pips, like very fast. So I like it because you can like get a lot of money that way. But like it's how it moves. So move from 18.13 all the way down to 17.97 for the day on Friday and Friday, December 17th. So like this is another zone. Price went to before heading back up. We're heading back down. Ooh. And these are like, we're gonna call these like zones that price likes to go to before like heading back up or heading back down. And like you can like do this too, draw these zones, like draw these in trading view. This is trading view. So draw these zones in trading view and practice game. Like I'm giving you videos so you can do it yourself. You can come up with your own strategy, your own plan. All right. So like boom, we have our zones, we have our pyramid. When the candles are above the trend line, it's in the uptrend. When the candles are below the trend line, it's in a downtrend. So these are areas that price likes to go to before heading back up. Like it'll stop here at 1797, 1798, 1797 before heading back up to 1799, pushing back to 1803. Another like level kind of like chilling at 1803, 1802 at 18 level. So these are like near the actually near like the key levels. Like 18 is like at 18, still like consolidating. Boom, went up to 18 like 05, 1803. Started consolidating right here. So like then heading back up, making higher highs and higher lows and higher highs. So then we have another like consolidation right here, another zone at 1807. Boom, went all the way up to 1813. But look, coming down to the candles are below the trend line. We're in a downtrend. Coming down, it went back to the same levels that it was consolidating at, going up. So that's very, very important. Went to this zone right here, 1804, consolidating at this zone. Like they're identical. So like it should go to this next area, like 1790 right here. Like it should do the same thing. So into 1785, 1780. So we're just gonna play it out. Like we're expecting it to go to this next zone right here. This next zone right here. We're heading down. It might go back up to this next zone at 18. So again, I just giving y'all all videos like ideas for y'all to like take with you. So we're going to call these candlesticks are below the trend line. It's downtrend. Candlesticks are above the trend lines in the uptrend. So there's so many things you can do. Fibonacci, your key levels, learn the candlestick formation. I showed y'all the head and shoulder pattern in here with gold. So it's the same thing. So just be patient in the market, and until it gives you a reason to break out of these zones. All right, so until it gives you a reason to break out of these zones, just be patient, like master these zones, or like take screenshots, figure out, draw these, like put this in trading view, like, and figure out how you can do this. So I should draw this over right here. So yeah, gang, you don't have to, so just look at like structure too, and if it's in a downtrend, it's going to make lower lows and lower highs and lower lows and lower highs and lows. If it's in an uptrend, it's going to make higher highs and higher lows and higher highs and higher lows and higher highs. So it's that too. It goes to key levels, like even key levels, 1815, 1810, 1805, 18, like 1795. So like 1790. So we're expecting it to actually go down here. So right down here.